So you want to install games on your TCL Roku TV? Well, you can download them directly from the Roku streaming store in just a few simple steps. From your home screen, if you scroll down and select the Add App section, this will take you to the App Store. Or from your home screen, if you go to the left side menu and scroll down and open the streaming store, this will also bring you to the same place. And then scroll just a bit, go into the app section. So once you're inside, scroll down until you find the game section. You can browse through the list, and when you find a game you like, select it and just press add. It will start downloading right away. Besides that, you can also use the search bar next to the apps icon. Just type in a specific game name, or you know what, you can just search games to see different categories and suggestions. So right after installation, you can open the game instantly from there. And you can also find it on your home screen, either in quick access or at the end of your app section. Now, mostly these are all simple remote compatible games. So if you want heavier games using a PlayStation, we have separate videos showing how to connect it to your Roku TV. If you want, you can just check that out. Thanks for your time.